फेक बातम्यो, फोटो, व्हिडिओक लागून मतदारांचे विचारांचेर परिणाम जावंक शकता. ताका लागून गुगल न्यूजान मिडिया प्रोफेशनल्स आनी विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर पणजे कार्यावळ दवरिल्ली.
So today's training was focused on combating fake news in the lead up to the upcoming elections, and we focused on photo and video verification. We also taught people how to leverage YouTube for covering the elections with its live feature.
व्हायरल जाल्ले फोटो, व्हिडिओ, बातम्यांची सत्यता तपासूंक गुगल वा हेर माध्यमांचो कसो वापर करप ताचेर मार्गदर्शन करूंक गुगलान देशात 30 सुवातेंचेर वेंचणुके निमतान कार्यावळ दवरल्या.
So the thing is, as India is going to polls, and this is a very important election for India, what we are trying to do through this initiative is trying to empower journalists and newsmakers to fight fake news, because there's so much around us, we can't sift fact from fiction. What we are trying to do is give you digital tools, because that is the medium in which this fake news is spread, and try to help you show your readers and your audience what is the truth and what is not.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.